Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Today I will show you how to apply ghost effect on your edit. So let's start. First add your clip. Then click on duplicate to make a copy of it. Click on overlay of duplicate and drag it like I am doing. Now add a keyframe at the start of both clips. Now add a keyframe where you want to apply ghost effect. Now zoom it a little where you have added keyframe. Now go to splices and make the opacity 39, or you can adjust it according to your clip. Go to graphs and choose ease out 1 and follow my steps. Now add a keyframe where you want it completely gone. Go to splices and make the opacity to 0 and again choose ease out 1. And you are done. Result. Subscribe if you liked my video and let me know in comments if you want any other edit tutorial. Till then, stay safe.